Hi dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Shiva Yoga World and Travel. After arrived in this village of Laos, I put my luggage, everything in my room at the resort, and then I had a small lunch, and then I decided to go for a walk. I just videoing in the main road countryside of the this countryside of Laos. So surrounded by mountains. Landscape is more or less same like Vietnam. Paddy fields there. You can see the paddy fields on there. So, but in Vietnam there are a lot of paddy rice fields, when compared with the Laos. So Laos is a less paddy field, rice fields, but a lot of mountains around here. It's very hot. So I just introducing the countryside of the this small country, Laos. Lot of scooters, cycles, pickup vans, and tuk-tuk around here. They always go to and fro in both sides. I will finish this. I can guarantee you. I will finish this video for 10 minutes. Hope it will be okay for my viewers and people who are watching my video. Because yogic life changed a lot of things in my life, so I try to become more natural. I'm in holiday, but wherever I go for holiday, I don't want to be called as a tourist. I like to be the person like the land. So wherever we go, we are same the human beings, same breath we are breathing, same blood circulating in our circulatory systems. So we are all human beings. Even if we change the place, a new place we go, we are the same person, same human beings, part of the nature, isn't it? Look at that. The cows, they are having food there. So nice. Lot of people use motorbikes, scooters, cycles, especially the tourists, for looking around. But honestly, I'm not interested in that type of things, So this is a closer view of the town around there. I don't know the name. And you can see a paddy field, the rice field there. Wow, that's amazing view of the rice fields. You can go there into deep, go towards that rice fields. And I'm going to showing you because, as I told you before, in Laos, there's not much rice fields, only few. So today is my first day in this village. So I will be here for next 3 more days. So I thought I could introduce these surrounding areas of this village. Look at that. Village name is Vang Vieng. That's the name of the village. Wow, this is so stunning, so beautiful, isn't it? The mountain. When we see the mountains, we feel that they have something to tell us, some stories, something happening in this world. They have something to tell us. They are talking to us. We feel like that. I feel like that. So I can easily communicate with the mountains, trees, paddy fields, plants, flowers, butterflies, birds. People may laugh, but it doesn't matter. We are different people with different ideas, different perception about life, isn't it? Even you look at my YouTube channel, how many of you are interested? Because a lot of people like more like like going to see a film, cinema, or some some adventurous things. Or people go with the friends and they have different activities, which is so nice actually. But I don't know what I'm doing. People like it or not. This way I am, a small little house, families, some vehicles coming, the mountains are there. Hello, hi. Hello, hi. So nice to see that, the mountains, I think they may be pleased my presence here. Before I stop watching cinema, so I went to see a film, like a very high technological film. And in that film, I don't remember the name of it. I went with my ex-wife long time ago, about 18 years ago. Okay, in that film, the mountains are talking, trees are talking, they are walking. You may remember that. So I forgot the name of that film, the cinema. Nearly 7 minutes, 7 and 25 minutes watching this videoing. I started the video. That's the way I come from. I will go up to that junction. There's you see, some vehicle parked there, so I will go there up to. I asked one of the local resident here, and he hardly speak English. Nobody speak English anyway. With his broken English, he say 2 kilometers, and from there I had to go walk again 8 kilometers. Sun is shining. You can see the sun shining, very strong. High humidity, I am sweating. I put my stuff, the peppers, little bit of cash on my back of pocket of my trouser. Otherwise may get wet because of sweat. Very, very sweating. Now 9 minutes. As I promised you, I'll finish this video in 10 minutes. So going to 10 minutes in a couple of seconds time. A nice little house, not a big house, not little. Big house, isn't it? Big mountains. It's like a wall. So nice. Vehicles coming from there. A fisherman going with his anchor. You can see the water buffalo. It's a real water buffalo. They live in the water. They like to swimming in the water. Look at that. Water buffaloes. Actually, they are very quite a calm animal, but sometimes they could be very aggressive too. I know when back in my family home in India, my father's home, my childhood home, we used to have water buffaloes, cows. We used to have sheep, chickens in our home. All this for domestic purpose, mainly for farming, then cultivating, the dairy things for rent. You can hire this vehicle and travel all around the place. I'm not a keen fan of these dangerous things, but I enjoy to watching these people doing this. I'm not against that. But my main thing is slow walking. That's my main things. Water buffaloes are here. Sorry, now nearly 11 minutes. They are a little bit cute, calm. Hello. How are you? Good to see you, fellows. Yeah, he's okay. Very calm to you. Calm. Look at that. Big house here. Hello. Making some sounds. There's a signal. Two fellows here already. Land for sale with a house. Anybody want to buy this house? Phone number is there. Land for sale. If you're interested, you can contact the number. Beg my pardon, a little bit over. This is the very expensive tree. Teak tree. Teak. We call teak. T-E-K or T-E-A-K. Teak. It's very expensive. Woods are very, very expensive. The teak trees, plantations. The teak tree plantation, the roads in India, very expensive. Making furniture, windows, doors, palm tree. So, yeah, I'm promising you I'm going to finish here when it reaches 14 minutes. I promised 10, now nearly 14 minutes. Houses, flag of Laos. First time I'm seeing that in Laos, here in this village. And the flag, Laos also Buddhist country, also communist country. Climbing, Adams Rock Climbing School. It is good. There's a big or small tree, bamboo tree, small. It's a different species. Look at that mountain, so huge, isn't it? Super duper. Thank you for watching. Thank you for patience. Subscribe my YouTube channel, Shiva Yoga World and Travel. Namaste.